What's up guys, welcome to Chopping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. In the last episode we made a Konkani dish, a sweet dish called Kelia Halwa with plantains, the Kerala bananas. You saw it, it was easy and it was made with just 3 ingredients. The plantains, ghee, that is clarified butter, and just plain sugar. In today's episode I am going to show you another recipe with the same plantains, the Kerala banana. The bananas are here. Just see the banana. So instead of 3 ingredients, we are going to add couple of more ingredients. So I have the ingredients here. I have coconut. This is half a coconut, you can see, but we are just going to use a small portion of this. The flesh, the white flesh of the coconut, about quarter portion of it. I also have good quality organic jaggery, good. So we are going to use little bit of good and couple of ingredients more. Before we head to the kitchen, one word. This is my recipe. I have tweaked this recipe, I have been thinking about this and I have made this recipe. If you have seen a similar recipe somewhere or if you want to claim the recipe, please write to me in the comments below with a link. I will really appreciate that. So let's head to the kitchen now. So first we'll peel the bananas. Let's just cut them, the tips off. It's very easy to peel this banana, but now what we have to do is that we have to slice them lengthwise. The bananas are slightly slippery. You can see how I've sliced it. It's a thin slice. The slices of the edges, if they're slightly thick, you can trim the excess part of it and remove them. So from one banana, you can see you can get about 3 slices lengthwise. So we'll keep the banana slices in a plate. I'm going to use 2 more bananas or plantains. I'm going to peel them and slice them similarly. So in total we are going to use 3 plantains, fairly big plantains than last time, and then we'll proceed with the recipe. I have sliced all the plantains or bananas. You can see there are so many pieces. So I have a non-stick pan which is getting heated up. It's on the flame, a medium flame. I'm just going to drizzle some ghee or clarified butter. You can also use plain butter, but I prefer using ghee. Now, one by one, I'm going to place the slices in the pan. So there is no deep frying involved. Just about a teaspoon or teaspoon and a half of ghee, and then we are going to get a brown edge on both the sides. Just move the pieces once in a while so that they don't stick to the bottom. You can already see the brown color on the side because the sugars are caramelizing on the surface of the banana. This is going to enhance the flavor of the banana. It will take maybe just a minute to get this color. Wow, you can see the nice brown color. I'm going to lower the flame. I think they're browning a bit fast. Yeah. This is the color we want. It's a coffee brown color on these plantains. When these plantains are getting caramelized, there is this beautiful aroma filling the kitchen along with this ghee, of course. Yes, now you can see both the sides are brown I'm going to remove them into a plate now. You can see these brown slices of plantain. I'm going to fry the other plantain pieces also. To the same pan, I'm going to add a little bit of ghee. Again, just about a teaspoon. And I'll add about 5 cashew nuts, which are broken into pieces, and some raisins, kishmish. Just give it a good stir. And they're done. Now let's switch off the gas and transfer this into a bowl. This is a quarter portion of the grated coconut. I've grated it in a mixie. To this I'm going to add this powder of jaggery. I showed you the jaggery. It was almost half a kilo chunk, a ball of jaggery. I've just shaved off this jaggery from the large portion. I think we can add all of this. We have to nicely mix it. Use your fingers. If you're going to use dark jaggery, this mixture is going to be slightly darker in color. But this jaggery is quite light, golden yellow in color, and it has no impurities. You can also get jaggery powder in packets, which will make this job easier. You can see the consistency of the mixture now. To this we'll add the cashews and the raisins and give it another mix. This filling is also ready. The coconut jaggery dry fruit filling. So let it keep it aside. I'm going to take one of the slices of the banana which we have fried in ghee. Take little bit of this mixture and we'll keep it on top of this banana. I'm doing this for the first time, so it looks quite tricky. But what has happened is, since the banana is caramelized and little bit cooked, it has become soft. I hope it won't break. So let us roll it. See, I'm going to fold like this. And we have rolled it. I'm going to secure it with a toothpick now. This is our fried banana roll. A simple dish. It didn't even take 5 minutes to make this. So let us do the other banana slices also into rolls. So our fried banana roll or fried plantain roll, you can call either one of them. It's ready and it's looking gorgeous. It's golden, it's smelling nice, and it's rolled like a Swiss roll. Just have a look. You can see this beautiful banana roll, golden plantain or banana slices. It is caramelized perfectly in ghee. And it encases this coconut jaggery dry fruit mixture. Instead of jaggery, you can use sugar, and instead of the raisins and cashew nuts, you can use any kind of dry fruit. You can use pistas, you can use badam, but I prefer to use this, the cashews and the raisins, because they give an authentic traditional South Indian taste with these plantains, Nendrapadam. So let me taste it here. So I'm going to taste it. Let's see. There are a lot of flavors playing up in my mouth right now. The caramelized plantain flavor is most prominent because that is the largest chunk of this. But When you bite into this, then comes the jaggery coconut and this cashew flavor. Everything mixed together. After a couple of bites, when you start chewing, you get this medley of flavors, a complex flavor, and it is really good. I'm sure you will enjoy it too, particularly your kids. I hope you have liked this recipe and the video. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell button for the notifications. Also check my website www.chompingchampion.com. You will get all these recipes and more stories on food. Till the next episode, bye. Take care.